Sehar Khan is a beautiful and talented Pakistani actress who began her career with Hum TV's popular drama serial Sanwari. Recently, Sehar Khan shared a picture in which she was sitting with a friend, and in the caption she wrote, "Big day, Alhamdulillah." Seeing this, fans thought that she was announcing a new journey in her life. After this post, various media pages and social media portals started speculating about her marriage. Breaking her silence on the matter, Sehar said, "It was my friend's big day, not mine. Please chill." Sehar's fake announcement has sparked reactions on social media. Many users say that this was just a cheap stunt to gain attention for a day. One fan wrote that she knows exactly how to spread rumors. Someone commented that first they create news themselves, then complain that people are after them. Another said not to resort to such cheap tactics for fame. Learn to behave like stars. Anyway, Sehar Khan has said what she wanted to say, and now she doesn't care at all about what guesses her fans make.